talking about that word kulelat,
Yeah.
so what do you think?
So
What's your take on that?
obviously there are confluence of negative catalysts are that are pulling the Philippines down.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, the main one is the ongoing corruption scandal. But
Mm-hmm.
even before the ongoing corruption scandal blew up, there were a lot of negative catalysts that are already sort of kind of nudging away investors, especially foreign investors. One of which I am also naiinis of
Mm-hmm.
why the Philippines is doing that is that the shifting policies of the Philippine government towards
Yeah.
different business sectors. Paiba-iba yung policies.
Totoo.
Diba? So if you're an investor, how can you invest for the long run if the next year the policy will
The
change?
stability is really
Yeah,
off.